Okay. How about getting started? Okay,
Sure.
then let's get started. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the event of the RoboDepth competition of ICRA 2023. I'm Yaru Niu, a PhD student at CMU, and I'll be the host today. Then I'll introduce today's agenda. So first, Lindong Kong will first give us an overview of the RoboDepth competition and introduce the RoboDepth benchmark. Then we'll host the award ceremony of our competition. And with the award ceremony, we'll have the spotlight talks of 2 tracks. So we have 5 talks for the first track and 4 talks for the second track. And each talk will last about 5 minutes and followed by a Q&A session. After the award ceremony and the spotlight talks, we'll have the Q&A session for the organizers. We welcome all the questions and the suggestions to help us improve. Feel free to talk to us. Okay, then let's welcome Lindong to give us an overview of the competition. Okay, Lindong, you can take it over. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Yaru, for the introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Lindong. I'm a PhD student in the Department of Computer Science at the National University of Singapore. Today, I will introduce the overview of our RoboDepth competition at ICRA 2023, and also our RoboDepth benchmark. So first is our competition overview. In December 2022, we launched the RoboDepth competition associated with the ICRA 2023. So this is the first competition targeted to probe the depth estimation robustness out of distribution corruptions. So we designed 18 different corruption types, ranging from 3 main categories, such as the weather and lightning conditions, movement and sensor failure, and data processing issues.